Hello and welcome. You're watching HCN News Bulletin. I'm Zaili Katkar. Let's take a look at the top stories. First phase of e-auctioning of iron ore in Goa turned out to be a success, with 39,000 tons of ore was auctioned. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said the Supreme Court will deliver its final judgment on Goa illegal mining case by end of this March. The special court, Margao hearing the Kankona building collapse case, rejected the bail application of building contractor Vishwas Desai. The Corporation of City of Panjim had its regular monthly meeting. Surendra Furtado requested the government to take the issue of garbage very seriously. Now the news in detail. The first phase of the initial e-auctioning of iron ore in Goa turned out to be a success. 39,000 tons of iron were auctioned with 8 successful buyers. Around 15 crore rupees was earned in the e-auctioning. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the Supreme Court will deliver its final judgment on Goa illegal mining case by March 2014 end.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on Monday said that 5.35 lakh metric tons of ore was secured by 8 of the 10 companies, which include Seza Sterlite Limited, Fomento Resources Private Limited, Agarwal Mining and Durga Mining companies from Goa, Royal Land Resources Limited and Sudhar Industries from Maharashtra, Bagadia Brothers Limited from Chhattisgarh and Kainita Global Limited from Kerala.
Out of that 1,000 has not gone, so 535 has been sold, and the offered price was, base price, the set price was 68.14 crores for all that together. So we have 68.14 crores. No, this is the base price. We got 93.81 crores. 93.81 crores. Kaineta Global Limited, Andhra Pradesh. I'll read again. Durga Mining Company, Goa. Fomento Resources Private Limited, Goa. Royal Line Resources, Maharashtra. Seza Sterlite Limited, Goa. Bagadia Brothers Private Limited, Chhattisgarh. Agarwal Minerals, Goa. And Kaineta Global Limited, Andhra Pradesh. Sudhar Industries Limited, Maharashtra. Now, if Supreme Court, when it decides, which we expect on somewhere at the end of March, from today's hearing, Supreme Court has indicated, I think, as a end of March as a giving the judgment. You asked for the complete report by 15th of March, right? So, and end of March, beginning of April may be the judgment. In that judgment, based on what is decided about ownership of this ore, where the money will go, will be decided.
Alfred Fernandez for HCN.
In the Kankona building collapse case, the bail application of the building contractor Vishwas Desai was rejected by the special court Margao in its hearing today.
The special court Margao, headed by Special Judge Nutan Sardesai, reserved the order on the bail application of former Kankona Chief Officer Prashant Shirodkar on February 24, 2014. Former Special Public Prosecutor Advocate Rajiv Gomes was replaced by Government Public Prosecutor Saronjin Sardina, who represented the state before the special court in Margao to hear the Kankona building collapse case. With Santosh Miraskar, Gilam Almeida for HCN.
The Corporation of City of Panjim had its regular monthly meeting today. Speaking at the meeting, the Mayor Mr. Surendra Furtado requested the government to take the issue of garbage very seriously. He said there should not be any politics as far as garbage is concerned.
Corporation of City of Panjim held a monthly meeting on Tuesday at Panjim. Speaking to media person, CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado explained how the corporation is planning to tackle the garbage problem in the city.
Corporation is a small dot. It is the government who has to decide for everything. There should be no politics as far as garbage is concerned. And I am pleased to tell you that for last 8 days, our engineers are sitting in Delhi for the DPR, in-house DPR, which was prepared by CCP with the help of GSIDC technical people, for a 102 crore garbage treatment plant. I was told at 3 o'clock that the concerned department who look after these DPRs have cleared the thing with all the queries were there. Engineers are sitting for 4-5 days there. They cleared and it has gone to the urban ministry this afternoon.
Secretary of newly constituted Goa Pradesh Congress Committee Sunil Kautankar has filed a complaint against Chief Minister Mr. Manohar Parrikar, ITG Chairman Subhash Phaldesai and other government officials alleging a scam in government cyber age scheme for the supply of tablets to students.
Speaking to media person, GPCC Secretary Sunil Kautankar alleged that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has violated the tender rules to accommodate a company supported by BJP, causing a financial loss of approximately 9 crore rupee.
आता हे सगळ्या गजालीन मनोहर पर्रीकर, who is the Chief Minister of Goa, he was also the IT Minister then, and he is also the Finance Minister. This requires financial expenditure approval, which goes from Finance Minister. हे सगळे तांचे नजरेक आयला असताना सुद्धा they allowed this to happen. This went ahead and it has caused loss to the state. That is the reason why I have filed a police complaint in the crimes branch against Mr. Manohar Parrikar, Mr. Subhash Phaldesai, who is the chairman of ITG, the MD of IT Corporation, the suppliers and other government officials who are responsible for this mess. The tablets which are purchased at inflated cost. त्यो टॅबलेट्स खूप जाणांनी आय वॉज गोईंग थ्रू मेनी डॉक्युमेंट्स, खूप जाणांनी ऑफर केल्ले की आमी कमी रेटीकूय ऑलमोस्ट 9,500 रुपयांक ज्यो परचेस केल्या पर पीस त्यो 7,500 रुपयांक आमी प्रोवायड करूंक शकता म्हणल्यार ऑलमोस्ट 2,000 रुपया डिफरन्स जाता पर टॅबलेटीचेर. 47,000 पीसीस ऑलमोस्ट 9-9.5 कोटी रुपया जाता, विच इज अ स्ट्रेट लॉस.
Kautankar said, as per the criteria from IT Corporation, companies which are blacklisted cannot bid in these tenders. However, he alleged that tenders were passed to the blacklisted companies.
ही जेन्ना स्कीम काडली तेन्ना एडवर्टायज जाली स्कीम आनी तांचे रिक्वायरमेंट्स आसले की जे बिडर्स आसता ते डिस्क्वॉलिफाय ब्लॅकलिस्ट केल्ले आसूंक जायना किंवा तांचेर कसलेच रिस्ट्रिक्शन गव्हर्मेंटाचे खंयच्याच बॉडीन घाल्ले आसूंक जायना. व्हडलो जोक हे एंटायर सिनारियोन जालो की एक म्हणल्यार ITG ब्लॅकलिस्ट केल्ल्या सप्लायरां कडल्यान टॅबलेट्स घेतल्या, परचेस केल्या. IT कॉर्पोरेशनाचे टेंडर डॉक्युमेंट जो आसा तातूंत तांची क्रायटेरियाज आसा तातूंत क्लियरली मेन्शन केला की एनी एजन्सी, एनी सप्लायर हू हॅज बीन ब्लॅकलिस्टेड, इवन इफ सबसिक्वेंटली दॅट ब्लॅकलिस्टिंग इज रिमूव्ड, कॅनॉट बीड फॉर ऑर पार्टिसिपेट इन दीस टेंडर प्रोसेस.
Amar Chavaria for HCN.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Encroachments have come up to disturb the Margao Municipal Council once again. One of the councillors, Damu Shirodkar, has blamed the municipality and the chief officer for turning a blind eye to the mushrooming encroachment in the municipal new market.
मडगांवच्या मार्केटान इतले इल्लीगल चालू आसा आनी इल्लीगल गोश्टी जर म्युनिसिपालिटीच्या चीफ ऑफिसराच्या नजरेक हाडून दिल्यार म्युनिसिपालिटीच्या चीफ ऑफिसरान सोडून गेले ना. म्हज्या वॉर्डाचो म्हजो नेबर एक खास रमेश नायक म्हणजे भावाचें दुकान मार्केटान आसा. ताजी परिस्थिती मार्केटान अशी गरीब आसा की ताजी बायल सध्या दुसऱ्याच्या घरान काम करून आपले पोट भरता, ताजें दुकान मार्केटान चलना. ताज्या दुकानाच्या समोर एक रातया भितर कोणे तरी आर्मार उबी केल्या. जो एक्झिस्टींग सोफा आसा तो ताच्या रातया भितर आर्मार उबी केल्या. एक रातया भितर शेनवारच्या रातया भितर आर्मार केल्या. ह्या रमेश नायक म्हणटा ताणें कंप्लेन केल्ली कडेन आसा चीफ ऑफिसराक. आनी आमचे जे कावन्सिलर बेरता गजोराचे कमिटी चेअरमॅन आशिल्ले ताणें हांव ती कंप्लेन केल्ली. आज पर्यंत त्या कंप्लेनीचेर कांयच जावना. इनफॅक्ट म्युनिसिपल इन्स्पेक्टराकय सांगिल्लें, जो आलेकर आसा ताकाय सांगिल्लें, ताका पुरेपूर खबर आशिल्ली की इल्लीगल म्हणून म्हाका ताजेर कांयच जावना.
With Santosh Miraskar, Gilam Almeida for HCN.
There are nearly 13 to 14 composting units that were set up in the year 2008 and 2009 by the Margao Municipal Council. However, till the present date, none of the units are put to use. A report.
Former MMC chairperson Xavier Coutinho said the unit have been idle in the absence of firm decision by the civic body over its utilization.
No, use जायना and even the state fails very bad state San Pablo. It is a waste of public funds if you go to see. But use जातलं केन्ना जेन्ना door to door garbage collection of segregated waste जाता So here suppose आमचे place आम पडले door to door segregated waste जाल्यार आम composting unitangूच हे settle करपाक शकता. आम plantaची गरज ना. ते बाबतीन पळयलें जाल्यार. पूण it's a big investment. For door-to-door collection, and ते सगळे man force भी असतं, labor force भी असतं, vehicles. So हे जाग्यार पडपाक.
With Santosh Miraskar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
Environment Minister Alina Saldana has called for protection of the Mando form of art in order to protect Goan identity.
Speaking at the 10th edition of All Goa Mando Festival organized by TAME in association with Department of Art and Culture at Ravindra Bhavan, Alina said that Mando has a rich history and should be protected for the benefits of the Goan.
Mga baboynino, dulpots, आमचे अस्मितायेचे आणि आमकां सांगता. It tells us about our customs, it tells us about our traditions. आणि तुम्ही सांगा, तुम्ही पळयला, Mando is a slow, melodious beat, while the dulpods are a faster beat and a very catchy beat. जो कोण dulpod आयकता त्याचे पांय आपशी टाकमार आलोक लागता.
TAME owner Francis Bras gave more details.
हो गावो अखिल गोंय मांडो उत्सव आमी घडोवन हाडला आनी हो फुडें हाडपाक टुरिजम एलायन मॅनेजमेंट एड्युकेशन इन एसोसिएशन वीथ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आर्ट एंड कल्चर हे मडगांव शारांत एक प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळ्ळा मांडो लवर्सांक पळोवपाक त्याच परी ट्रूप लिडर्सांक आपली टॅलंट दाखोवपाक आमी चड खुशी कित्याक आमचो हो उत्सव burns we are giving the highest prize money compared to any other festival. The highest prize money and minimum participation prize is 12,000 for each troop. Besides that, we are प्रत्येक वर्साक आमी एक आमच्या मांड्याक वा उरलेल्या मनशाक आमी सत्कार करता आनी त्या परी आमी खूब लोकां मदें हो मांडो फुडें घेवन येयल्यात.
With Santosh Miraskar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
In the early 60s, Goans used to go to Belgaum to study English in St. Paul's High School, Belgaum. The Ex-Polites Association of Goa had organized their annual get-together on Sunday at Margao, taking a look at the last years. The Ex-Polites, as part of the annual get-together day on Sunday, participated in an Eucharistic celebration at the school chapel of Loyola High School, Margao, and that was followed by a fellowship and cultural program. Father Runi D'Souza, Father Apollo, Father Basil Waghe, and Father Anand D'Souza celebrated the Holy Mass. The president of the Ex-Polite Association of Goa, Barnabas George, said the association is also involved in social activities in Goa.
And Jesus strike at the root of many of the intolerance. Remember, God has given us emotions, and emotions are neither good nor bad, they can be neutral, depending on what happens to it. But we are a fallen race, and a fallen nature tends to the evil, tends towards the selfish. Now, as both Christians and Polites, do the right, we ask the Lord to help us. Help us to grow in maturity as Christians. As I pray for all your families today.
In those days, there were no English schools in Goa, so most of us migrated to Belgaum and took our education there. And in gratitude for what we received from our alma mater, we are carrying on this. lot of social work, medical camps, and things like that. These activities are going on in the name of our school, St. Paul's. This is a get together for Paulites and their families. Generally, we have this once a year so that there is interaction among the families of Paulites.
With Savio Dias for HCN. Vasco Sports Club will be organizing India's first beach-timed half marathon called Nautica Goa Beach Run 2014 on 23rd Feb 2014 along the sea line of the beautiful South Goa beaches. The Goa Beach Run will be categorized in 3 events, that is 21 km competitive run, 10 km competitive run and 5 km fun walk. Flag off for 21 km run will be by the hands of Banavlim MLA Caetano Silva, 10 km run by Miki Pacheco and 5 km run by Forest and Environment Minister Elena Sardina.
We, the Vasco Sports Club, is going to organize a beach marathon. It's called the Nautica Beach Marathon, if you see at the banner. It's India's first timed marathon. Usually people on the beach are accustomed to running on the beach just for fun as a part of training, but we have organized this beach running event where we are going to use timing chips like an international marathon. It's scheduled on the 23rd of this month at Kolwa. We're going to have 3 categories for the run: the 21 kilometer, which is the half marathon, the 10 kilometer, which is again a competitive run, and 5 kilometer, which is going to be a fun walk. The 21 kilometer flag off will be done by Mr. Caetano Silva, the MLA of Benaulim, along with the business head of Nautica, Mr. Sumit Dhingra. We have invited Mr. Miki Pacheco to do the flag off for the 10 kilometer run, and Mrs. Alina Sardana, the Honorable Minister for Environmental and Forest, she'll do the flag off for the 5 kilometer walk.
Amar Chavaria for HCN. Before we wind up, here's a look at the headlines once again. First phase of e-auctioning of iron ore in Goa turned out to be a success, with 39,000 tons of ore was auctioned. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said the Supreme Court will deliver its final judgment on Goa illegal mining case by end of this March. The special court, Margao hearing the Kankona building collapse case, rejected the bail application of building contractor Vishwas Desai. The Corporation of City of Panjim had its regular monthly meeting. Surendra Furtado requested the government to take the issue of garbage very seriously. Our video of the day gives you the message to save water. Water is precious, save it. That's all from our side. Stay tuned to HCN. Take care and goodbye.
never left the earth. We just...
देखो देखो